Hey everybody, Kristin LaVanway here, NaVloPoMo4. Yeah, I know I am wearing the same thing I was wearing yesterday, and you know what? Shut up. I have a headache. I signed up to do this every day. I just want to get this done so I can go back and lay down. Today's word of the day is health insurance. Timely topic, I know. But it's important a topic, and I kind of wanted to share this with everybody. I'm self-employed, real estate agent. We don't have company benefits. You're on your own as far as health insurance goes. And it's pretty expensive. I couldn't afford it after a while, and I just had to let it go. So we were without health insurance, which is really a nail biter when you have 4 kids, especially 4 kids and in sports. But I recently was able to get a new policy, and I was worried that I wouldn't be able to get it, qualify, whatever. But it was amazingly simple, and it costs about half of what my last health insurance policy cost me. Much better benefits, lower deductible, half the premium. I signed up on ehealthinsurance.com. It's with United Healthcare, so one of the bigger providers, and it took 5 days to get approved. That was it from start to finish. The last time I had health insurance, I had to go through a big physical, this big background check. I mean, I didn't even know what all they did. This time, they basically called to ask me about my son's acne treatment. How bad was it? So it was a lot easier, and I mean, it's a huge relief to know that if something really bad happens, we have some coverage. The key here is the Patient Protection and Affordable Care Act. And I'm not political, whatever. I don't know if this is the one that everyone's calling Obamacare or whatever. But I do know that this policy was definitely affected by some of the changes in that Healthcare Act. There's a rescission on the 14-day waiting period, no lifetime limits on a lot of different areas. Kids can be covered up until their 26th birthday. There's no pre-existing conditions for kids under the age of 19. People have asked me about pre-existing conditions for adults. And there's actually a website, healthcare.gov, that goes over a lot of the changes from this recently passed act. And there is some information there about policies available for pre-existing conditions. For example, here in Arizona, you can get a policy for pre-existing conditions. So I think that's really great news for a lot of people who think they can't switch insurance or get insurance because they have some pre-existing condition. So check that out. So if you are a self-insured person like me and you think you can't get health insurance, you may want to take another look. You might find it's a lot more affordable and a lot better coverage. So that's my word of the day. I've done my duty. I'm going to go back, lay down on the couch, and I'll see you tomorrow.